Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Shit. Okay. Now we're ready. Alright. Gonna play some Bitcoin. Shit. Okay. Now we're ready. Alright. Gonna play some Bitcoin. One sec. What are you doing, Cosmo? Shit. What are you doing? Okay. Come on. Now we're ready. Alright. Gonna play some Bitcoin. One sec. What are you doing, Cosmo? Shit. What are you doing? Okay. Alright, I think I got everything set up. Sorry for the silence. Let's make some money. Alright, let's make a couple dollars. I think I got all the links out there. I think I got everything set up. Man, these 4 image things on X are so stupid. Every day. Absolutely nothing of use in here. Alright, fuck it. ETC looks like it's winding up a little bit here. ETH 2. Oh, it's my mic. That's okay. Let me know if the quality looks decent. I'm using a green screen. I don't normally use a green screen, but I have one up behind me right now, so hopefully I don't take up too much of the screen here. But we'll see. Alright, I think I'm going to be playing... I'm just going to scalp a little bit. I'll probably play some of the top gainers still. But I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to take right now. Bitcoin doesn't look bad for a long, but I don't think there's that much room there. Maybe a short play on Ethereum soon. If we test this upper Bollinger Band here on the 5-minute. See if I can find any other traders to come in, trade with me a little bit, or give some different perspective. Oh, look at this. This is green on my shirt, so the green screen's messing it up. Pull up my YouTube chat. Has some people asking me about what my favorite exchanges to trade are on. I've got all my links like posted in my bio on Twitter, or if you're in the Discord, then in the affiliates channel, all that stuff's in there. So if you want to check that out, some deposit bonuses and stuff like that if you're interested in trading with me. I highly recommend Blowfin. Blowfin's great. Recall's looking a little toppy right now. We're going to be starting a $100 to $5,000 challenge soon. It's going to be probably on Monday that I'm going to start that up. Just trading crypto perps. So if anybody's interested in that, let me know. Should be pretty fun. Hopefully we'll get it done the first try. No guarantees that we'll get it done the first try, but I'm going to try my best. All alerts will be posted in the Discord, so you guys can see the progress and what trades it took to get there. Yeah, Ethereum's still struggling with 1950. I'm probably gonna take something here short. It's a small short with a stop over 1948. Hey. Can you keep those two little buggers out of here? It's everybody showing up. Appreciate ya. Dogs are out of here now. So I won't have any click-clacking, hopefully, in the background. They love to try to make guest appearances. I have an Ethereum short at 1945 right now, set with a high amount of leverage. It's at 105. Small position, though. Not big money at all. Like 30 bucks. What was that? Wow. Looks like the Bears are coming out on SPY. Think my sell order is going to hit here on Ethereum. See if I can find some like royalty-free music to play. Jesus. Still has a hit actually, 1944-61. Damn, Chloe got a ugly candle. I just got stopped out of the rest of my position on that. Discord, letting everyone know what the trade is. Let's get sweaty. Let's put this on the 1 minute so I can really feel the anxiety. Jesus, I just realized it didn't matter. Dark, I look at fucking tweet.
You sit up, you sit up,
Yo, I'm on live right now.
you sit up,
We can be all back a little bit. You go to the gym. Alright, let me give you a call once this is done. No one ever calls me, like ever. And then the minute I decide that I'm gonna do any live trading, someone stops by my house, somebody gives me a call, every fucking time. Every fucking time. Without fail.
sit up, you sit up, you sit up, you like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light, like the cool blue light,
Marking on support and resistance this year on Ethereum on the
like the
15
cool
minute.
blue light, like the cool blue light,
Looks decent
like
on
the cool blue light.
for short here for the risk. This breaks out, then just cut it. But top of this range is like 1954. If we hit the bottom of it, 1915 would be a good on 100x short. Would be a good play for sure. Damn, there's 59 people here on Twitter. What's up, everybody? If you're actually real and not a bot, comment something so I just decided that I was going to do the multi-stream app because I'm streaming on YouTube at the same time. So if the quality is actually much better on YouTube, the quality that it captures, you'll see it on my screen as well. So if you want to, go to youtube.com/redhotstream for that better quality. But appreciate everyone on YouTube too. We're on X. So it looks like 70 people from X. Maybe I'll do more of these nights at like Asia session trading. Usually we get some pretty decent volatility at this time. It's like my personal favorite time to scout. Make sure I have this trade posted in the Discord. Okay. So we're set. If anyone has any coins you want me to take a look at. Music loud as hell? Yeah? Oh shit, okay. My bad. Oh, you know why? It's because my desktop audio's here. I'm gonna turn that down. How about now? My bad. I didn't realize on my trading software I had it, or on my streaming software I had it turned up all the way. Hopefully that's quieter. Did that work, Mark? Did that work? You're the only person giving me feedback right now, so I appreciate you. Alright, maybe we're getting this rejection here finally on Ethereum. Can't be too sure yet though. Good now? Okay, cool. This music's kind of lame anyway. I'm gonna change something here. Shit, I might just get out of it. Like, I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna give it another like 10 minutes to see if I get this move down. If not, I'm gonna probably get out of this trade and try to move on to something a little bit more exciting. Why am I confused? Oh, okay. Why is this in such bad quality right now? Alright, these vibes up. No other traders around right now to trade with, which is kind of lame, but still staying strong here. Alright, this is a little bit too volley. This is a little bit too much. Come on, break out of this wedge. See where Asia's open at right now. Oh, there we go. Nice. I think we're gonna test this, yeah. There we go. See if we can break below this trend line. 1 minute open up below, actually that's a good sign. I'm gonna get some continuation here. Now I'm up like 20%. Come on, break below 1940 for me. right before I hopped on in live, we got a 100% trade in the Discord, so that was pretty cool on Clo Long. Got some profits out of that. Now we'll see if we can be able to roll it over and make some money off of this. It's alerting the Discord. My bad for the silence. Jesus, yeah, maybe this is not the exciting play to take on live that I thought it would be. Super slow. Feels like there's like no liquidity right now. Oh, sorry, Mark. I just saw the YouTube thing. What's your P&L? What are your settings on Blofin for like the volume? You just like if you go onto nice. We're pulling back a little bit more. If you go back, you go on like the top of your screen, you're gonna be able to see. Like right now, I don't even have volume on screen actually, so I could add that. But there's like an area for indicators. Right now I just have MACD on. There we go, I've got volume on now. And your P&L, like right now, if you go onto your screen, you're gonna see like this like little thing next to your percentage. There's your P&L. So like right now I'm up 25% on this short. Or it's it's right here on the bottom of my screen too. I just been watching it on TradingView because it's a little bit cleaner. Hopefully that answered your question. I know it's when you're first getting into this, even if you've been trading like on a regular broker for stocks, or maybe you've been using like Coinbase or Binance, something like that. If you're on Binance, it's probably a little less foreign to you, but more the traditional platforms. Perps exchanges have kind of their own layouts and their own like terminology that might be a little bit hard for you to understand at first, but that's why like in the Discord I have resources like Google Docs explaining trading like futures and the terminology behind that. If you look at my YouTube channel too, you can look it up. There's like it's one of my last videos. It's just how to deposit, how to place your first trade and stuff like that, and that's all up there in YouTube. All right. Sorry, somebody was asking me for the link for the live stream, so we got that to them. Ethereum's still kind of playing around here. Volume looks like it's still to the sell side for the most part. Take a look at BTC. BTC had some more relative strength than Ethereum. This might not be a bad spot to check out a short on BTC either, honestly. Around 66.6 for maybe a pullback, only a few hundred points. If you wanted to go like a little higher leverage, might be able to squeak out a good scalp out of that too. It's either I do get the pullback that I'm thinking is going to happen here, or it goes the other way, in which case you can leave stops pretty, like, you can trade pretty conservatively here. Put your stops tighter. Their R&R is better short, I think, right now. How did you find out to short silver on the 2nd of February? Oh, it was pretty... That wasn't... I'm not any genius for doing that, to be honest. I was watching it pretty closely for the last... like, for the few days leading up to that. Traded it long and short. Playing... I didn't get as much of the long side of that trade that I wanted to, but the short that one night I did really well on. We got it at, like... 70... I forget what is it. It was like a 15% short. Like it fell 15% from where we entered, and it was just a great time to trade silver and gold because the volatility was so high. Today would have been another good day for a good short, to be honest. I missed that as I slept in a little bit. Missed that entry, so that would have been a really good one. But it's mostly just it's all just recognizing price patterns, and you know, the more you trade it, the more you watch it, the more you kind of understand. So, no, that wasn't any special strategy or anything like that. It was just recognizing where resistance was, taking a shot at going short, and it really paid off that day. That was actually probably my best trade of the month. yeah, definitely was the best trade of the month. What was that, like 500% or something like that? About 400%. So that paid really well. It's been keeping me liquid while I've been kind of fucking up the last week, to be honest. I haven't been trading my best in the last week or so. Hoping to make a decent bounce back going forward, but this at this time, I think the thing is like you can see right now in this Ethereum trade, like the volume just isn't there. So you gotta go play to where the volume is, and that's why I've been playing a little bit more alts, which I wasn't really that much to start the beginning of the year. So I've had a rough spell of timing some of them. But last couple didn't do bad. Like we just played CLO and made 100% on that on 15x. So that wasn't bad. But yeah, I just think that it's all about recognizing where liquidity is, and liquidity has not been there, especially on the long side for the blue chip coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, even like BNB, Litecoin. Shit like that has just not been volatile enough to really scalp, which is my strong suit. I'm a scalp trader for the most part. And we are sitting doing nothing on Ethereum right now, so this is kind of boring. It does look like momentum is slowing down though here. I'm not able to hold winners for long. How could you hold for so long? Honestly, a good question, because I feel like that's something that a lot of people struggle with, is just they cut their losers, like they wait too long to cut their losers, lose too much, and then with their winners they don't hold on for enough profit. I think what it really comes down to is knowing, like giving yourself certain targets to where to take profit off, and that way the trade becomes free. So like say if you put in like $1,000 into a trade and you're up $1,000, like you hit 100%, or even say you're up 30%, take some profits off at 30%, take some profits off at 60%, take some profits off at 100, leave some in the trade. So because sometimes your runners or like your remaining position will profit more than the trims that you've taken off. But if you take off, pieces of your position, you'll feel less likely that that you're going to, just hold on, and you can leave money in the trade without feeling like, okay, this was a bad idea, or I'm stressed out. Is it like, it's much better to just take some profits along the way, be happy with what you got. Don't think, oh well, if I kept my whole position in and it went up 400%, then I would have made X amount. Like just be happy that you managed your position correctly. So I think it's all about, managing your sizing during the trade well. Like don't hold too much of the trade. If you're up like over 50%, you better be taking some profits off the table, because if you see it go back down and you didn't take any profits, you're gonna be pissed. So, and then that's how people start revenge trading, and then you lose a lot more than you would have initially. So I think the best, like the rule of thumb, is make sure to take profits consistently. I might get stopped out of it. Speaking of taking profits and stop losses, I might get stopped out here on Ethereum, which to be honest I'm kind of okay with. I want to get out of this trade. I'd prefer it was in profit, but trade's been kind of a snooze, and it's a tight position anyway. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna probably get hit on this one. Even if I don't, honestly, if it goes back down to my entry, I might just cut it, call it a day on Ethereum, move on to something a little bit more fun. Right here, this green line, that's where my stop loss is, so it came pretty damn close. Almost to 1951, my stop loss is at 1952.40. Small position, so I'm not stressing it too hard, but maybe Saved by the Bell here. It's kind of rejecting. Oh, okay, this music is bothering me now. I don't know if I'll get copyright striked for playing like non-copyright, like copyrighted music. I probably will. Like, YouTube is kind of a pain in the ass for that, so I know X I'd be fine. Like for my stream there, it'll be fine, but it says there's 135 views. So I don't think that's what YouTube's hard to tell. It's like, is that concurrent viewers right now? Because if it is, holy shit, that's awesome. But I really don't think it is. I think it's just how many people seen it. Considering I think I have 2 people or 3 people watching on YouTube, I'd be pretty happy if we only had. I think we have 1 person watching on YouTube right now. Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna go and say I highly doubt we've got 140 people on Twitter, but whatever. Shit, it looks like some buy volume's coming in on ETH right now. Right here. Damn. Hey, buddy. Want to come on my lap? Say hi to everybody? Say hi to the ghosts on Twitter? Man, I have this idea that I've been workshopping in my head. I'm thinking I might. This is a might. I don't know. This would be a lot to do, but I think I might, just to kind of drum up some like some marketing exposure. I think I might try and trade 1K to 5K, and then do it in one sitting. Like I'm gonna trade as long as I need to either zero out or go to 5K. So whether that be like 24 hours or, 2 hours, I'm gonna try and sit down and trade as long as I can. Well, obviously with bathroom breaks and shit like that, but stay live. I feel like that could, bring up a decent amount. Bring in some new people. Saved by the bell on that short. Fell right back down. This is one of those times where I'm like, please just go back to my entry so I can get out of this trade and move on to something else, because this is just like watching paint dry. I have really no doubt that it goes down to 1915 somewhat soon, but do I really want to sit here on live and make you guys watch me just sit here and watch 1 minute candles that aren't doing anything? No. I think we could figure out something a little bit more entertaining to do. It looks like this resistance at 1947 might be flipping into support right now. Yeah. What was my stop loss again? 1952.40? Looks like if you're looking at this 1 minute, you can see these big green bars. It seems like mostly buy volume hitting right now. I'm gonna take a look at Asia, see what Asian markets are doing right now. Damn, Taiwan's index is up. Japan's down. Shanghai's down. Hong Kong's down. China's down. Korea's up a little bit. Singapore's down pretty bad. And it looks like yes is pretty flat. Alright, I just turned down the music. I just realized by putting on the stream on my phone how loud this actually was. Alright, I just turned down the music. I just realized. Oh, nice candle. Maybe it isn't much quieter. Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Alright, I just turned on the music. I just realized. Oh, nice candle. Maybe it isn't much quieter. Jesus. Maybe that works. I don't know. Maybe that works. I don't know. Maybe that works. I don't know. This is brutal. I can't believe it's still pinned to this price. Holy shit. River might be fun to play. I'm pretty much over this on Ethereum. Screw it, I brought my stop down. Alright, I got stop down. That drained me. That was truly painful to sit through. Holy shit. Whatever, we move on. I'm gonna try along on this on recall. I don't know if I'll get this entry though. Nah, shit. Nobody's pretty much on anyway now. Alright. I'll just alert in the Discord for now. All right, I'm gonna end the stream here and just hop off onto and just post trades in Discord because it just volatility isn't there right now. I'll hop on for New York Open tomorrow and hopefully we get some more volume.